Hello everyone, this is Divyansh from team SoftKernel. This is a demo video for the project PayStream built on the Hela blockchain. What we were tasked to do was to build a payroll system for employers and employees where the employee can see a live feed of how much they have earned and how much they can withdraw. They can then at any time withdraw that amount to their wallet. This allows the HRs to automate the entire payroll system and gives the users the ease to withdraw the amount they have earned at any time. Let's start with the demo. First, we'll go to the company page and create a new company. For example, we can do IT Mandi and then create a company. And after signing it, the company gets created and it's visible here. Now you can select the company, and then since the company was just created, all the stats are 0. You can firstly deposit the amount in the company treasury. For example, I am depositing 5 Hela USD, and then you can see the amount is getting deducted from my wallet, and after confirmation the amount gets added to the treasury. As you can see, the amount is added, and then we can go to the HR page. Sorry, first we have to add the role here, the HR here. What we'll do is get another account detail, select the copy the address and paste it in here, and I'll add select the role as HR. You can also create a new CEO, then assigning it. As you can see, after it has been added, the HR has been added. Now we'll switch the accounts to the HR account and then go to the HR page. Here the company has been auto selected since it's the only company, and the role is being shown as HR. Now from here you can do 2 things. Firstly, we can add the employee here. What we'll do is select the third account, get the address, and then paste it in here and add the account, then signing it. As you can see, the account has been added here. Currently, any PayStream hasn't been added, so it's showing no PayStream here. We can paste the users, the employee's address here, which we added earlier. Then I'm doing a monthly salary of 2 HLUSD and a duration of 2 months. And then I'm doing a tax of 30%. The tax is stored in a tax word, which is defined when the contract is created. It is essentially a compliance mechanism for to ensure that the employees pay their taxes automatically, and it is deducted when the user is withdrawing their salary. Then we create a stream. As you can see, the stream has been created, and then we go to bottom. You can see the stream here. It's showing tax is 30% and date has 2 months from now. And from here you can pause the stream or cancel it. For example, if you pause it. Okay, so as it has been paused, it's showing paused and an option to resume. We can also resume it if it had been paused. Now there is also a feature where the company treasury essentially earns some interest for the amount which has been stored in the wallet. So here, as you can see, the reserved capital is 4 HLUSD, and it gets a yearly yield of 5%. So this is updating every second. If we switch the decimal places from 6 to 10, you can see it updating live. You can see it updating live. The decimal places can be varied from 4 to 10, and it's updated on every page. Now, as you can see, the amount is updated live, so you can claim the yield from here. And upon claiming the yield, it's added to the account. Then we go to the employee page. We switch to the account which we added as an employee, and then as you can see, it's showing that 2 or 4 HLUSD has been added as the safety for the user, and the amount can be withdrawn from here. Now when we withdraw, 30% of the tax is sent to the tax word, and the rest is sent to the user in their wallet. Now when the transaction is completed, as you can see, the amount has reset to 0 and has restarted. So the wallet amount which has been paid is not paid twice. Then all the information for the salary is visible here, and also we have implemented an in-house HLUSD to INR off-ramp. It is currently a mock off-ramp. However, in the real world, it will be connected to the banking app, which will essentially convert the HLUSD to actual INR. So, for example, any user can fill in here, for example, 2 HLUSD, and then when pressing convert to INR, the HLUSD gets deducted from here, and it is currently sent to a contract. However, in the real world, it will be sent to the bank account, and then it shows the history of everything which has been converted and the conversion history as well. Also, this rate is connected to our in-house custom oracle, which is linked to a live feed from the Gecko API. The custom oracle ensures that the amount which is shown here is actually signed by us and is approved. Then when you go to the company page and switch the account which was the CEO, then there is a feature of bonuses. The CEO and the HR can put in a account which will get the bonus. For example, if I select the account and the bonus amount is 0.5 HLUSD and the data is 17/02/26 and 12 p.m. and then schedule it. The amounts get deducted from the treasury and is essentially added to the employee's bonus whenever at that time when they withdraw their salary. Now, when we switch accounts to the account 6 and go to the employee page, so it will be showing the bonuses whenever the user can withdraw it. Then when you switch to the admin account which has been defined when the contract was created, a logs page appears. It essentially logs everything which has been done in the contract. For example, it's showing the latest logs. Also, everything is logged so that it can be used, and an auto refresh button is available, which can auto refresh it. Yeah, so that's it for our project. Thank you.